Welcome back to Fix Me Master. Today, I'll show you how to take a screenshot of your Android screen using ADB. This method is perfect when you need to capture your phone's screen without touching it. Let's get started. Step 1. Set up ADB. Before we begin, make sure that ADB is installed and added to your system path. USB debugging is enabled on your Android device. Your phone is connected to the PC via USB and recognized by ADB. To confirm your device is detected, open Command Prompt and type keymad ADB devices. If your device appears in the list, you're good to go. Step 2. Take a screenshot. To capture a screenshot of your Android screen, use the following command: cmad adb shelfingcap-p/sd card screenshot.png. This will save the screenshot in your phone's internal storage. Step 3. Transfer the screenshot to your PC. To copy the screenshot from your Android device to your PC desktop, use adb pull/card/screenshot.png. See users DJ Bob. The screenshot will now appear on your desktop. Step 4. Delete the screenshot from your phone. Optional. If you no longer need the screenshot on your Android device, you can delete it using cmad adb shell rm/sd card/screenshot outrow. And that's how you take screenshots of your Android screen using ADB. No need for third-party apps, just a simple command and you're good to go. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more ADB tricks. See you in the next one.